Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I made a video earlier today when I blended using the acceleration to put larger spaces and smaller spaces. So I am going to shift, I'm going to select the top, I'm going to shift select the bottom, and I'm going to hit apply. So you can see my bottom space is bigger and progressively smaller. This time I'm going to select the bottom one and shift select the top one, but you see the acceleration has moved to the left. So it's going to do exactly the same. So look here, if we shift select the bottom, it doesn't move. So I'm going to do the bottom one first, top one second, but I'm going to move the acceleration to the right and hit apply. Now it is coming from the top down is the bigger one. Now, if you had to do them identically, my suggestion, if you wanted two blends to be exactly the same going outwardly, what I would do is to get them exactly, I would go to break the blend apart, go ahead and group it, Control G, let's see how big this thing is. Let's make it 18 inches just because. And I'm going to set my nudge factor on 18 inches. I am going to Control D and make a duplicate and mirror it and then move it 18 inches. It's not exactly right because it's a ½ inch up, but you could get rid of that by taking that, getting right on that corner and have it snap to. Now there's two objects there, but you can see that I'm blended from the inside out and you can see the one that's double. So what I would do in that case is select it all, because you wouldn't want that to cut twice if you're cutting. Ungroup all, and look at this, we can take that one out and then group it back. And then we only have the 19 pieces. So link acceleration is pretty cool because you can do a lot with it. Let's do one more. Let's turn this at a 90 degree and let's put them pretty far apart. Way out here, maybe even way out here. And let's select them both. Link acceleration. We're going to go pretty heavy. And look what it did. It's real big, half that again. I don't know if it's, if the measurement's equal. Let's try that. I've never played around with it. So we're going to go to parallel dimension tool, go from that edge to that edge, and we got 32. First of all, I'm going to change my number real quick. So with the text tool, nothing selected, go to like 150 point dimension. So now my dimensions will be bigger, at least for you to read. And I'm at 3238. Is this going to be half of it? No, but it's just the way it blends it out. Because maybe if you did it with equal amount of blends and everything, it might work out. That's a pretty cool how to blend stuff like that. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.